Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is ShardeMarie. Welcome. And in today's video, we are doing October's BoxyCharm unboxing. I actually got my box early, you guys. So yes, BoxyCharm got it together. I finally got my box early enough for me to upload this video and show you guys what I got in my BoxyCharm. So if you are curious to see what I got and test out these items, then continue to keep watching. Okay guys, so let's hop into it. So this month, this box is spellbound. So it's October, it's Halloween, so you know it was only right that they do the whole, I guess, Halloween theme. And I already took a look at this box, and it's mainly eye related. That's why my face is basically done minus the eyes. So first thing in this box was the Tarte Collagen eye cream. So I guess another eye cream, but it has collagen in it. But I have so many other eye creams that I need to use up before I can even use this. So I'm actually going to pass this along to my sister. Plus, I don't use Tarte products. So yeah, but if you are interested in this is $35, and it just says like an espresso shot for your under eyes, a vegan skin loving eye cream that reduces the appearance of puffiness and dark circles for a refreshed, youthful look. So yeah, this is the first thing in the box. Again, like I said, I'm gonna pass that along to my little sister. So next thing in the box is the Beautè Falling For You palette, which is the main thing I'm really excited to try. That and this other product, but I'm really excited about this. It's the ultimate fall palette. Like, look at these colors. Ultimate fall colors. You have your oranges, your yellows, your neutrals, your pop-up shimmers for, you know, to make it a little more glam. Your deepest color here, which is called chestnut. It's just the perfect fall color. So obviously we're going to be using this today, and I'm going to try to stick to these colors of the packaging, but we shall see. This retails for $34.99, and this is a new launch. So that's exciting, and I'm definitely keeping this. Okay, I'm definitely keeping this. Next in my box, I got the Tresluce Beauty Like an Artista brush set. So this is the packaging here. This retails for $27, and this also is a new launch. It says pack on the pigment or blend as much as you need. Professional quality vegan mixed texture fibers make it easy to perfect your ideal eye look. And it comes with a deluxe blending brush, a classic blending brush, an angled blending brush, and a rounded pencil brush. And I already took it out of the packaging, so these are what the brushes look like. I am in love with the packaging of the brushes. Like, they're so beautiful. This blue is everything. And if you ain't know, I'm a Zeta, so this is right up in my alley, okay? Right up in my alley. And the feel of the brushes, I mean, they feel like normal brushes. I don't see anything shedding. Rubbing them against my hand, I don't feel any itching or anything like that, like any scratching. So yeah, I'm excited to try these out today. Next in the box, I got the Camara Aunique Beauty Lashes. So this is a new brand to the BoxyCharm family. It says this is the most natural lash in the collection, and it's perfect for the woman who wants to keep it real with her beauty. It's a soft and light whisper lash that looks perfect on all eye shapes. So this is probably the most natural lash I really do have in my collection. Even my Kiss Wispies, I think, my Demi Wispies from Kiss are a little bit more dramatic compared to these. But I mean, I'm excited to try it and just see how natural they really look. I mean, we'll just gotta see, you know. And last but not least in the box, I have the Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner. Oh, I'm going to tell you, these retail for $25. And like I said, this is the second thing I'm most excited to try out. I've been hearing about the adhesive liquid liners, and I know certain brands have them. I think like Kiss has them. I believe NYX might have one. I'm not really sure all the brands, but I know that there's brands out there that have like the liquid liners plus adhesive mixed in, so it'll be easier to not only apply your lashes but also do your wing, so you don't have to use so many products all at, you know, all the time. So I'm excited to try this. It says this is the newest and most innovative way to apply your faux lashes. Step aside tubes of glue. This ultra fine liner is easy to apply and a hot way to spice up any eye look with LEWK. Okay, and this retails for $29. So yeah, and this is in the color Jet Black. This is the way that it looks. It came in this black and white packaging. And yeah, I'm excited to try this. Now, if I love it, I probably won't go to repurchase it from this company because it's $29, and I know you can find other drugstore brands that have the same thing. But I might, you know, start going that route with the liquid liners. And yeah, so now that we ran through everything that's in my box this month, let's just start playing. Okay guys, so this is how the eyes turned out. Like I said, this box was really eye focused this month. So yeah, these are the eyes, and let me give you my thoughts on the items. So let's start with the brushes first. So the brushes are cool. They blended obviously my makeup really nice. They were soft. Like I said, there was no scratching on the skin. They blended all of the makeup together just nicely. So these are a win in my book, and they're going in my brush collection. Next thing we're going to talk about are the lashes. These lashes are so natural. Oh my gosh, like I think they're a little bit too natural for this look. So I suggest using these lashes for like a easy no makeup type of look, like where you're not putting on a whole shabam on the eyes, because these are some, what I'm about to say, these are some natural behind lashes. These are just way too natural for my liking, but I'm going to keep them for those days where I don't want to use my version of natural lashes and I really want to do naturals. Like these lashes look like they could be my natural lashes. That's what they look like. Just a little bit more volume. You know, they look a little bit more full than my natural ones, but they look like these are my natural eyelashes. And they didn't lie. They said these are the most natural lash in their collection. So they didn't lie. So if you like these type of lashes where they're like basically your lashes but better, then I suggest getting these. So this is another win in my book, but not more than these other two products. So this liquid liner, love it, love it, love it. The pen tip is so small and precise that you can do the cat eye liner if you wanted to, and the fact that it's also a lash adhesive as well, it's just like one of one, like amazing. I don't know why I never tried a product like this, especially since it's been out. But I'm happy I got it in my box, and I'm going to continue to keep using this for a while. So my lash glue might just have to like kick it to the side. I wonder if they have like a brown. That would be amazing as well for these type of liquid liners. I would like a brown as well, because I like to use brown during the daytime compared to a black, so it won't be so abrasive during the daytime. But you know, I love it. I love this. This is definitely staying in my collection, and you guys will definitely be seeing this in up and coming makeup videos because I am in love. And last but not least, this Ace Beautè Falling for You palette. 9 out of 10. I give it a 9 out of 10. And only reason why I give it a 9 out of 10 because of this one specific color, which is this orange here, and it's called Persimmon. I don't even know, because it's not permission, so it's Persimmon or something like that. And the color is gorgeous, don't get me wrong, but when I use my eyeshadow brush to pat the color onto my lid, at first it was just like going away. So I said, okay, maybe I just don't need to tap on it. Just put it in there and just tap it on my lid without tapping off the excess. And as you can see, it worked. You can see some of the orange now. But it's also my fault because I didn't use eyeshadow primer. And I really think that color specifically, you need a base underneath of it just so it can pop a little bit more if you want that orange to really pop. Like, this would be good if I didn't do like the darker outer corners or anything like that, and just did like the brown with a bronzer in the crease or something like that. This will be fine because this is daytime appropriate. But if I really want to wear this out during the nighttime and I did this look, I really want my orange to pop. And it didn't really do that because, again, my fault and a little bit of the palette's fault. I just feel like it's pressed a little bit too hard in there because it was rarely any, actually throughout the whole palette, there was really not that much fallout. So, I mean, that's a good thing, but, and the colors are still pigmented, as you can see. Like, there's no issue with the pigmentation or nothing like that. But I don't know, that persimmon color was just not really popping the way I wanted to. So I'm gonna play around with it. I love this palette. This is my second Ace Beauté, I think, palette that I have got from my BoxyCharm, and I love the other one too. That's another perfect fall palette as well that I only used it once on camera, but I do use it off camera from time to time. But yeah, I really enjoyed this month's box too, minus the Tarte eye cream. Again, that's going to my sister. Like I said, I don't use Tarte products, so there's that. So let's set up everything. So this month's box retail for $116, and you get all of these products for $25. I do also would like to mention that I think one of these products was a free product for me, because originally I was supposed to get the Beauty Bakerie's highlighting palette, and I got an email stating that it was coming separately, but they were going to add something else in my box. So I'm not really sure what wasn't supposed to be in here compared to my choice of item that I wanted in the box. But I'm excited to get that whenever it ships to me. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn on your bell notification, get notified when I upload my next video. Love you guys. Thank you much for the support, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.